Hello! Today we are going to look at what the correct scales to use on the technical drawings. We determine the scale on the technical drawing by the purpose and the content of the drawing, the complexity and density of the drawing, the legibility requirements and the accuracy of the drawing. Scale is the ratio between the magnitude of the length dimension of a line segment on the drawing and the length dimension of the same line segment in reality. The recommended scales of representation are: for magnification scale 50:1, 5:1, 20:1, 2:1 and 10:1. The actual size is 1:1 and the scales of reduction is this. If scales other than the recommended scales are to be used, the recommended scales can be expanded by deriving the full scales from the recommended scale by multiplying by the whole power of 10. In exceptional cases, where the recommended scales cannot be used for functional reasons, intermediate values on the recommended scales may be chosen. The designation of the scales used on the drawing shall be entered in the appropriate part of the title block marked with the word scale. For a drawing view that has a different scale than the main view, the notation is in the form scale 5:1. If more than one scale is to be entered, only the scale of the main view shall be entered in the title block, and all other scales shall be entered directly next to the views of the object which have a scale other than main view. If a drawing of a small object is drawn at a larger scale of magnification, it is recommended that the object be drawn at actual size on the drawing for clarity. So much for scales today. If you like the content, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, or write in the comments what content you would like to see on this channel next time. Bye!